This video shows how to resolve a problem on a Powermax Sync 65, 85, or 105. The plasma torch was unable to fire, and you discovered the display screen is dark. There are no error codes too. Notice the display screen is dark with no green backlight. There are no error codes or LED lit. Replacing the control PCB didn't resolve the problem. Replacing the ribbon cable didn't resolve the problem. Replacing the DSP PCB didn't resolve the problem. If none of the mentioned replaced parts fix the problem, open the cover of the Powermax Sync system, turn on the system, and take note of the LED reaction on the DSP PCB. If you see the LED D5 light up in red, then the power PCB is faulty. Please replace the PCB to fix the problem. The power PCB to be replaced depends on the system type. Please refer to the Service Parts Replacement Manual to find the correct power PCB to replace. After replacing a new power PCB, turn on the system. The display screen is functional now with backlight, and the red LED on the DSP PCB will not light up anymore. The system is operational again. Thank you for watching.